Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my class again. Today, Friday, 17 of April 2020, we're going to work on lesson 20.6 on page 560. The class for today includes geometrical patterns. Okay, first of all, what is a pattern? A pattern is a repeated path of either numbers, colors, and in this case, because we're talking about geometrical, we're talking about shapes. So then if you see here in this part of the worksheet that I made for you, here you can see shapes that are lined up and they are in a repeated pattern. So the instruction here says, please circle the shape that comes next in the sequence. So if you want to do that, you obviously need to understand the pattern to answer the next section of the sequence. Okay, so if you look at the pattern, it goes like this. Here we have a diagonal that goes to the right, and then we have a diagonal that goes to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. So understanding this, tell me what is the next section of the sequence. Will it be this? I don't think so, because it will be two repeated sections, and obviously it's not like that. A blank space? No, I don't think so. So obviously the section that goes in the next part of the sequence is this one. Okay, now let's analyze the second sequence or the second pattern. The patterns, as I told you at the beginning of the class, can be also with colors, not only with shapes. In this case, we have stars with different colors. We have white, black, and gray. White, black, and gray. So based on that, which one will it be? Of course, it will be white. Okay, now if you look at the next two patterns, they're a little more complex. But anyways, the same idea. Here we have a section divided in two, but it's a vertical division. Then we have a horizontal division. Then we have a vertical division again, and then we have a diagonal division. So you see the pattern goes with 4 items. So now let's analyze the next 4. It goes like this. You see these two are the same. Then these two are the same. Then these two are the same. And then finally these two are the same. So then again you have this and this, which are the same. So now you understand what is the next figure in the sequence. It's obviously this one. You see, although the sequence looks a little more complex, but if you pay attention to the sequence, you can analyze what is the next part of it. Let's look at the last one. Here we have like dominoes pieces. So the first piece is bent to the right, then horizontal, then left, then vertical, right, horizontal, and then obviously what is going to be the next one. So if you see, here we have 2 with the same, and then here we have 2 with the same. The number 4 in the pattern is missing, but we're looking for the number 3. So what will the number 3 be? Obviously here, right? So then with this we can analyze that the next shape in the pattern is B. Alright, so those are geometrical patterns. Please copy the information in your notebook, and I hope you really like this because this is kind of funny. I'll see you in the next class. I hope you have a nice weekend.